Hello. Welcome back to the weekly forecast, the market overview. Right now, we are looking at US30, and we are thus gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. These are the areas where we expect the market to play within, right? This area right here, the area between the weekly high and the weekly low, that's where we expect the market to play in. But what you can see is that we did have this downward trend line where we had our first touch, our second touch, and our third touch, and the market is now looking to come back. Should the market go up, giving us a retest on that upward trend line. But we also can still see that we are still in that downward movement, right? If we go to the 4-hourly on the candlesticks, just adjusting that right there. Yeah, just adjusting to there and zoom in. Just adjust and zoom in. You can see that we did again have this ascending pattern, right? We did have this ascending trend line right there, or bullish trend line, where we did have our first touch, our second touch, and our third touch. You can see now that also in this area here, it's another. This is a support area, right? This is a support area, and this is also another resistance area. So because you can see that the market is now coming to approach that resistance area, should it break above, give us a retest, we'll be looking to take that buy, looking towards the upside, right? You can look at this area here, it's another high area or resistance area. But that's gonna be it for US30 for the week. You can just be okay. Should it come here, we'll be looking for a retest and then going down, or give us a retest and looking to shoot up. Looking at gold, we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Looking at our weekly high, when we're not seeing anything again on the daily time frame, we're gonna go to the candlesticks and onto the 4-hourly time frame. And again, with gold, you can see that we are still in that bullish movement. We did have that correction phase, but right now you can see we've created another higher high and higher lows. We are still continuing that bullish movement, right? To continuing that bullish movement, we can see also that this area right there, there's another support area where the market is retesting that support area, so we'll be looking for buy entries upon market open. This area right here is another support area. This area right here is another support. So should we get a confirmation candlestick, we'll be looking to take our buy entry, looking at this area as our overall take profit target for the week. But it is going to be it for gold. Now looking at the calendar week, the fundamentals for the week, you can see that on Monday we don't have anything important. On Tuesday we have that for Germany, the consumer confidence, right? And for US, nothing again. On Wednesday we do have not really much, and then on Thursday we have the growth rate, the core prices, continuous jobless claims, the initial jobless claims. So we do have those huge fundamentals also to look out for on Thursday. And then closing the week, we don't have a lot. Okay, personal, the core price index as well, those you must be on the lookout for those ones. But yeah, that's going to be the fundamentals for the week. Okay, we'll be now looking at Ger40. We are thus again going to plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Again, this is the area we expect the market. And now on the daily time frame, you can see on the line not a lot of movements. We're going to move to the candlesticks and we're going to move to the 4-hourly time frame. Right, on the 4-hourly time frame with the candlesticks, what we can also see is that we are still in that bullish movement, because you can see the market creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we're still in that bullish momentum. But what you can also see that this area right here is a support area. So should the market now, because you can see that we're in a corrective phase at this point right here, we're in a corrective phase. So we can see now the market building momentum towards the upside, looking to come towards this area. Right, should it build momentum, we'll be looking for it to come towards that area. But as of now, we are still in that we are still in that corrective phase, and we can also see that this area right here is another small support area, right? It's another support area, and this area here right here is a resistance area. So we'll be looking for sell entries, or if the market does push it up to these areas, but if it does come back for a retest, we'll be looking for buy entries going up, shooting up to our weekly high. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Germany for the week. Taking a look at Nasdaq, and then again we're gonna plot our weekly high. We're gonna plot our weekly high, and we're gonna also plot our weekly low. But once we can see that we did have our first touch and our second touch right there, and our third touch with the market upon market closure, right? Upon the market closure right there, we did have our first touch confirming that downward trend line. So now should the market break above this, we'll be looking to take that buy entry. But let's go to the candlesticks on the 4-hourly. Just adjust that right on the 4-hourly time frame. Candlesticks on the 4-hourly will sort of zoom in, and what you can see is that we are coming back. We did again hit that downward trend line area, confirming that trend line, and then came back down. Right after hitting that, we did come back down, but now we are looking to come back for a retest. So should the market break above here, give us a retest, we'll take that buy entry. Looking in this area here is our first target, like looking that area there is our first target, and looking this yellow line as our overall take profit target. But should it not give us another failed retest and give us sell entry confirmations, we'll take that sell. Looking in this area as our first target, looking that as our overall target. Looking at this area here, right, as our overall target, should it now come back, give us a downward movement. But we can also see that this area right there is another area where the market may come back to retest. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly market overview. Hope you like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.